We don't got many of these anymore.
Polished. Get that thing off of there. We don't need that no more. Take a look. Welcome back to Get Lowered Cycles. Today we got the Road King back on the lift and it's getting some major upgrades. First thing is we're getting this old exhaust off and we're putting on the SP Concept Platinum Lane Splitter. Then we're gonna be getting these old crusty floorboards off and putting the Thrashing chrome boards on. You guys are gonna come along with us. Let's do it.
So we got the air cleaner cover off. We're gonna take off this header pipe and we'll put on that nice chrome SP Concept. It's not chrome, it's polished. It's polished.
Gotta get this heat shield off because there's some weird little, what do you call it, bracket?
Got a crossover bracket on there.
What if it's stock exhaust?
Check out the new t-shirts.
Yeah. Make sure you're shopping at getlowered.com. Get yourself a new t-shirt and some parts. Get that thing off of there. We don't need that no more.
All right, so we got our crossover off of there, taking our flange nuts off, and then this thing should be coming off. This thing is clean. How many miles are on this?
10K.
10K. It's clean. Come on.
This exhaust probably hasn't been off since 08.
Gotta take off more heat shields. More heat shields. Look at that.
Yeah.
Out with the old, in with the fresh.
Everybody knows that these floorboard brackets, what was Harley thinking, man? That is brutal. Okay, go. Here we go.
Flange nuts started.
Nice. It's already looking so much better. Now, well, let's just get the rest of it on.
Let's get the rest of it on.
The rest of it on.
Throw a towel in there so we don't scratch anything. We'll shitting and getting.
That's some professional stuff right there.
Don't want to scratch nothing. Okay, let's do the rear head.
Let's do it. Get in here. It's a nice pipe.
It's a nice S curve. It's fucking.
Perfect. Like a glove. Ooh.
Yes, we're looking good. Love it. That is a nice mount.
Nice mount.
It's a nice mount. Fit everything loosely.
First look's looking pretty good, man. Get these head bolts tightened up.
Flange nuts, head bolts, flange nuts.
My bad.
Not bad.
My bad. They're tight though.
Tighten up our muffler here.
Nailed it. Shoo. Damn.
She's a beauty.
That thing's sick, dude. That's insane looking. Come here. Take a look. Shoo.
Hey. Nice to get the rest of the chrome on here. Much better.
Let's put our floorboards back on. Got some nice thrashing, I heard.
Hell yeah, dude. Let's get them on. All right, now we're up putting the floorboards on. Get out of here, pal. This is gonna have to move. I don't know. It's gotta move. It's gotta move a little bit. Nope, there it is. Got it. Come on. Got it. Ooh. Now that is more like it. That looks good. Let's get the other side on. Rinse and repeat. Yeah! Let's get this guy off. Here it is. Oh, golly. We don't got many of these anymore. Hold on, there it is. Good God. All the glory. All right, y'all. This is the first time the King is gonna see some sunlight. Well, it's a little dreary out there, but it's the first time the King's gonna be outside in the last couple months. And I'm excited to see what this thing looks like, sounds like. You're gonna be the first one to hear it with us, baby. Woo! I've been waiting for this moment. You ready? Don't touch it. Shoo! Oh my God! Damn.